Hey squad! This week's meal prep will include breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Alright, hey guys. This is the 13th day of the 21-day challenge, and I wanted to share with you guys another one of my weekly meal plans. So in this video, we'll be doing breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So I wanted to show you guys just different ways how you can add juices, how you can make your breakfast pre-prep, and it still turns out delicious. So like I explained to you guys in the last video, we are bulking up, and
I told you guys, summer bodies are made in the winter.
we are getting ready. Day challenge started on September the 1st and it ends on September the 21st. And I am still going hard at it. Like I told you, I'm going to be bulking up. I am prepping my meals and I am getting my workouts on. Yesterday I did a 4-mile walk and I was so proud of myself because I had a goal of trying to hit it under 60 minutes, but I didn't. I'm still working on it though. And I hope that you guys are keeping up with the challenge and keeping up with the healthy lifestyle, because this is the time to really start taking better care of our bodies. If the pandemic or being quarantined or things like that didn't really set in well with us for the year, it threw off a lot of people's eating habits, cycles, workout routines, weight loss journeys. But I hope that you all have gotten back on track, because I'm so excited. I'm working with a different team of people. It's the Body for Days challenge and I am so loving it. We have a great coach, JERRIKA. She has a channel here on YouTube and I'm going to link it down in the description box. It's Body for Days by JERRIKA. She is very inspirational, very motivational, and I hope that you guys go over and follow her page. I'm going to touch base with you at the end of this challenge just to let you know how the journey completely went, and I'm going to do a video on how each day went and how we worked out throughout that week. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video. So stay tuned. Keep on watching, guys. I decided to do most of my grocery shopping at Winn-Dixie and Aldi's. I found some really great deals. If you haven't noticed, prices have been rising in the grocery stores lately. So I was lucky to find that some of the sales were pretty reasonably priced for the weekly shopping list. As you can see, I did choose some really delicious items. I got enough vegetables for my meals, and I got enough fruit so that I can juice this week. I plan to do a little meal replacement with some of my juices. I washed all of the vegetables so that I can get ready to cut and prepare them. I decided to go ahead and cut up all of my vegetables so that they can be prepared for each meal. I cut the vegetables lengthwise. My zucchinis were already small, so I didn't have to cut them in half. I cut my onions into halves, but I cut my peppers lengthwise also. I cut and seasoned my red potatoes before putting them in a baking dish. I oiled the potatoes with extra virgin olive oil. I seasoned them with salt, pepper, and glow spice. I placed all the vegetables together on a well-oiled roasting pan. I seasoned my vegetables with salt, pepper, glow spice, and I used a lot of parsley. I try to make deliciously seasoned roasted vegetables at least once a week. I place my vegetables into an oven, a preheated oven of 375 degrees, and I allow the vegetables to cook for about 30 to 35 minutes. I place the vegetables to the side to cool. My roasted potatoes were done in about 45 minutes. Now with all of my vegetables done and prepared, I'm gonna go ahead and start on my breakfast. This week's breakfast is going to be breakfast egg muffins. I'm going to add as many vegetables as possible since these muffins won't contain meat. My peppers and onions are already cooked, but I want to chop them up just a little bit smaller so that they can fit into the muffin pan. My veggies are chopped and ready. You can grab a muffin pan that has 6 cups or 12 cups. I'm going to oil my muffin pan with extra virgin olive oil and also a little bit of garlic butter. I cracked 5 eggs, but you guys can crack up to about 6 or 8. And I'm gonna go ahead and season and stir my eggs. I like to add a little bit of spice. I'm also gonna mix in my peppers and onions. After you've mixed all of your ingredients, slowly pour your egg mixture into your muffin pan. I preheated an oven to 350 degrees and I placed the muffin pan on a dish that included about 1 inch of water. That way the eggs will steam and the sides won't be too crunchy. They'll only take about 10 to 15 minutes to cook. Let them cool for about 5 minutes and then you can place them on a plate so that they can stiffen up. And just in case you'd like to take your breakfast with you, you can. Place them inside a well-ventilated plastic bag or your storage container for you to have later for breakfast. Eggs is one of the fastest ways to have a fulfilling breakfast. Here's other ways to make it. You can have scrambled eggs with a few pieces of Ezekiel bread as toast on the side, or you can have scrambled eggs with shrimp. Omelets are another way for you to get in the protein and vitamins that you need to have the fuel for the day. Once you saute all of your vegetables, go ahead and scramble in about 2 to 3 eggs and you can have the most delicious omelet to start your day. If you pre-prepare most of your ingredients and vegetables, an omelet will take only about 5 minutes in the morning. I also love fresh fruit. Whether I'm eating it, juicing it, or putting it into a smoothie, I like to go ahead and prepare my fruits prior to using them. This week I'm cutting up watermelon to juice, and I'm also gonna cut up a cantaloupe so that I can have it for my smoothie, and I'm gonna have a pineapple that's gonna add a little bit of sweetness to my smoothie also. Did you know that pineapples have impressive health benefits? They're loaded with nutrients, they contain disease-fighting antioxidants, and it has enzymes that can actually help you ease your digestive system, as well as boost your immunity. Once all of the fruit is cut up, you can bag your fruit and you can freeze it for the rest of the week, or you can go ahead and make your smoothies and actually freeze the smoothies for the week. My favorite smoothie for this week is the watermelon and cantaloupe smoothie. Lunch this week is going to contain several different salads. Because I'm bulking up, I plan to eat a lot more of my heavier meals in the evening after I'm done lifting. This first salad here you see me making is a quinoa salad. Quinoa is a grain or a seed, and this particular one is mixed with brown rice, pinto beans, as well as mangoes and peppers. You can have it as a side, or you can mix the salad and combine it all together. I love salads, so I'll also be having a shrimp salad, and I'll also have a Caesar salad with salmon on top of it. I grilled my shrimp and my salmon this week, which cut down on a lot of time that I spent in the kitchen this week with meal prep. Once all of my meats were done and all of the vegetables were done, I combined all of them together and made my meal prep. Here's another one of my loaded salads that I made this week. I topped it with salmon, red onions, tomatoes, and cucumbers. I also made shrimp bowls and vegetarian bowls. I combined zucchini, potatoes, and salmon together to make sure that I had a filling dinner. My evening meals were my biggest meals. Whether it be a full meal, a light salad, or just straight vegetables, plan out your meals. Thanks so much for watching my meal prep for this week. I hope that you guys are continuing on your Body for Days journey, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more of these weekly videos.